Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this colorful bubble stitch blanket. For this project I have used double knit yarn and 4.5mm crochet hook. Check description box for more details. If you prefer written version of this blanket, please visit my Etsy store, link in description box. The blanket is very soft and really easy to make. And for different size, chain multiply of 3 plus 1. So for example, 40 multiplies of 3 is 120, plus 1 is 121. For our blanket, we will chain 112. So 37 multiplies of 3 is 111, plus 1 is 112. Okay, my foundation chain is ready, so I have 112 chain. Row number 1. Starting in the second chain from the hook, we will make 1 half double crochet into each chain. So 1 half double crochet into each chain. You should have 111 half double crochet at the end of row number 1. I will see you when I finish my row number 1. So once again, 1 half double crochet into each chain. And at the end of the row number 1, chain 1 and turn your work. So now we will start row number 2. We will make 1 single crochet into each stitch. We will start in the first stitch. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. You should have again 111 stitches at the end of row number 2. So continue working 1 single crochet into each stitch, then cut the yarn at the end. So do not chain 1, just cut the yarn at the end of this row. So as you can see, I cut the white yarn and now I'm gonna change the color now for dark pink. It is my first color. So I'm gonna insert my hook into the first stitch, and my first stitch is when I finished last stitch. So last white stitch is my first stitch. I always start in the place when I finish last color. Make a knot and put new color through the first stitch. Like this, yes. Now keep the tails and chain 1. So we will start row number 3 now, and we will start row number 3 into the same first stitch. So make 1 half double crochet into each stitch. 1 half double crochet into each stitch. You should have 111 stitches at the end of row 3. You can keep your tails behind your work, behind your next stitches, and then crochet over the tails for a few stitches. You will no need to save it at the end, and this is a massive time saver. So keep it behind and work over it for next few stitches. I will see you at the end of row number 3. At the end of row 3, just chain 1 and turn your work. And now we'll make row number 4. We will start row number 4 in the first stitch, so we will make 1 half double crochet into the first stitch. Now make bubble stitch into the next stitch. I'm gonna show you how to make bubble stitch if you don't know. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch right here, yarn over and pull up the loop. You have three loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have now 2 loops on your hook. Now again yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull up the loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So yarn over, pull through 2. You have now 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is your bubble. This is bubble with 3 double crochets. And now for row number 4 we are going to be doing a sequence which is 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 bubble stitch. So the sequence is 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 bubble stitch. So 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. One half double crochet into the next stitch. And 1 bubble crochet into the next stitch. And pull through all 4 loops. So repeat that sequence until end of your row. Half double crochet, bubble stitch, half double crochet, bubble stitch. I will see you at the end of row number 4. Okay, so now we'll make bubble stitch into the one before last stitch and 1 half double crochet into the last stitch. So after bubble stitch we don't have 2 half double crochet, just 1 half double crochet. Do not chain. We will cut the yarn now and change color. We will use white yarn. So to change color again, insert your hook into the first stitch, which is last stitch of the previous color. Make a knot. Pull white color through the first stitch. Chain 1 and let's start row number 5. In row number 5 we will make 1 single crochet into each stitch. So 1 single crochet into each stitch at the end of the row, and you should have 111 stitches at the end of row 5. I will see you at the end of this row. At the end of row number 5, chain 1 and turn your work. And now row number 6, make 1 single crochet into each stitch. So 1 single crochet into each stitch in row number 6. You should have 111 stitches at the end of row 6. We will now repeat rows 3, 4, 5 and 6 with different colors. I'm gonna show you the colors order. So you now should change color for the gray and repeat rows 3 and 4. Then repeat rows 5 and 6 with the white yarn and repeat rows 3 and 4 with cherry yarn and so on and so on. I'm gonna show you the colors order. So this is a color order. Remember, repeat rows 5 and 6 when using white yarn and repeat rows 3 and 4 when using color yarn. So the total color change sequence has 40 rows and you should repeat the sequence 3 times more. So again, now for rows 7 and 8 you should use gray yarn and repeat rows 3 and 4. Then you should use white yarn and repeat rows 5 and 6. Continue pattern as established. You should make 126 rows altogether, so you should use each color 3 times. These are the yarn tails. We will cut off them, and that's it. We don't need to do anything more. Now let's make a border. Do not cut your yarn. We will continue with white yarn. We will make first round will be 1 single crochet into each stitch, and on the sides we will make 1 single crochet into the white rows and 3 single crochet into the color rows. So we will make on the sides we will make 5 single crochets per 4 rows. So chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the white part and second single crochet into the white part. Now make 3 single crochet into the yellow part. So 5 single crochet per 4 rows. And third single crochet. Now again white part. So make 2 single crochet into the white part. And light pink part, make 3 single crochet into the light pink part. Continue on the end of this side. Now on the corner, single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. This is our corner. Yes, and single crochet into the same stitch and make 1 single crochet into each stitch on this side. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. Continue until next corner. Now next corner, again single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet, and then we will working on the sides again. 2 single crochet into the white part and 3 single crochet into the color part. So this is our round number 1. I will see you when I finish working around. So I have finished my first round. Now chain 1 and we will start second round. I will skip first 2 stitches and I will make 5 double crochet into the next stitch. So skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into the next stitch. So this is your first double crochet. This is your second double crochet. Third. Fourth. And fifth. Now skip 2 stitches. 1, 2 skip and make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So skip 2, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And continue that sequence all around. So skip next 2 stitches. And make 5 double crochet into the next stitch. Here, yes. Continue around. Once again, skip 2, make double crochet in next stitch. Skip 2, make single crochet in next stitch. And on the corner, just continue as you go. So here we have single crochet in the corner, but you might have 5 double crochet in the corner. Continue all around and slip stitch at the end to the first stitch. Cut the yarn and finished your work. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye.